Today we're going to make an easy keto peppermint mocha coffee creamer that is going to jazz up your coffee for the holidays. So first we're going to take half of a cup of hot water, and it is important this water is nice and hot, and we're going to stir in 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now this hot water is activating all the delicious depth of flavor in the cocoa powder. Then we're going to add in a half teaspoon of vanilla, a teaspoon of peppermint extract, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give that a quick stir. Then we're going to add somewhere between 30 and 50 drops of stevia extract, liquid stevia extract. Then we're going to pour in a cup of heavy cream. Beautiful. We're going to give this a quick stir and then a taste test. So if it's not quite sweet enough for you, simply add some additional liquid stevia drops. I love the liquid stevia drops for this creamer because it just mixes so easily and is easy to adjust on the fly. So we'll just give this a little taste. For me, that's perfect. I don't like my coffee very sweet, but if you wanted your coffee sweet, you just add it to taste. You can also mix different sweeteners together. So one of my favorites is liquid monk fruit extract by Lecanto. If you mix a little bit of that and the stevia together, it gives you an even better real sugar taste. So thanks for joining us and learning how to make this easy and delicious peppermint mocha keto coffee creamer. We'll see you next time.